Hey guys, I'm back on Essentially, and today I'm going to be shooting a tutorial video on how to make a Joker's mask using an already existing default mask template. And so the screen's a mess right now because I was recording how to make a Jason's machete video, and it's actually hasn't dried out yet, so I'm just waiting. And while I wait, I think I should paint this thing. So if you want to know how to make this, it's from my Squid Game frontman mask video. You can go check it out and make one for yourself, and after that follow along with a Joker paint job. So let's put the machete aside. Hopefully I don't get paint everywhere. Okay, put it there. Now let's start with our mask. It's a pretty 3D design, and it's got sharp edges, but we're gonna try and make it into a Joker face because I think the smile might be nice. So I already have the red paint and stuff there, but we're gonna start out with white because he is pale a lot. Okay, so let's start. Let's take our palette, bring it closer. Now we're first up. Oops, got white everywhere. Why is there white there? Wait, I'm so confused. There's white there already. Huh? I don't remember putting white there. Anyways, we don't need that much because we're not going to paint the entire thing white. Just make it look like he's wearing a makeup. That's white. That's super weird, by the way. I don't know what happened. And let's get some water. Oops, the water is red. Doesn't matter. So let's just see. Yep, it works. So let's just try and give him a white face, white makeup. And we'll color over it later on. Alright, let me do it off camera. So it's all white now. So let's move on and put some red color. So around there, the lips is red. Okay, that's nice. Let's just give it some more design like that. This one's easier because in reality the paint in Joker's face is paint, and we're also painting, so there are no mistakes. If it's a mistake here, then it's a mistake in the face paint, which is not bad. It's acceptable at least. Some might be very, very horrible. So let's try and mirror what we did on that side on the other side. I think they're pretty symmetrical. So let's move on. Let's use a different brush. This looks like Joker who turned Iron Man into his weapon because of these sharp edges, but we can't judge yet. Let's just finish and see what it looks like. Let's add some red on the nose. Okay. And then let's do some makeup at the bottom of the eye. For that, I'm going to use my black alcohol marker. Let's take a little bit of this. And then we'll just do that. Might as well make a green eyebrow. I'm going to need to think of a design. So I'm just covering or more painting the eyes, around the eyes, like the eyeshadow. Similar to the Batman from Robert Pattinson Batman. I think this is as much as I can do. The ink runs out as soon as I put it on top of white paint. Maybe we can try this one. Okay. I think that's about as much as I can paint. So here's our 3D Joker mask in its full glory. I don't know any other designs. I could probably make a wig, but for that I need a green A4, which I currently don't have. One last thing I'd like to do is the mouse straight. There you go. Alright, so here's our Joker mask next to the machete, and they look pretty scary together. So yeah, I'm loving this. I like how both of them turned out. And here are the details. I added the eyebrow at the top instead of there, just to make it look like the Joaquin Phoenix Joker. Yeah, so that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my video.